Way up, there you are. Good, glad you popped in. Got a little job on. This is my Halfords tyre inflator. And it stopped working. Well, rather it works, but it doesn't put any air in. Rapid Digital Tyre Inflator. Right, this is not a whinge about Halfords stuff. In fact, this is more of a homage. I've had this at least 7 years and I've used it all the time. No more going to the petrol station and putting in obscure amounts of air. For me, I've been using the old Rapid Tyre Inflator. In fact, I was so impressed, I bought the kids one for Christmas. 1 year. And I bought a feedable. Yeah, and I got away with it. Yeah, anyway. Sorry, it's not working. Thought I'd take it to bits. Again, I must admit, I've had it in bits before. I've tried a rubber. Now what's missing, what the problem is the O-ring. The O-ring's gone. And the real difficulty is finding one that's correct size. So obviously the last one wasn't, so I'm going to try again. Right. With my tool in my hand, I'm going to get stuck in. Right, first of all, there's a number of screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are under the paper, so you've got to search for them. Right, so let's whip these out, shall we? Well, to be frank, the chances of it working are quite small. I doubt if I can find the right size O-ring. But what do you know, let's give it a shot, shall we? Rather than just lobbing things away. Right, this is the fun bit. Pick it up and drop it back down so all the bits come off. Now what do we have inside? Okay, that comes off quite cleanly. And here is what we've got. Goody goody gumdrops. Right, let's have a quick look through it. That's the little diddy compressor, the little diddy fan on, which whizzes round, and that's the motor rather. That's the actual compressor. And it's literally a little piston that goes in and out. Piston block? Yeah, me too. And so on and so forth. Obviously there's the light bit, there's the digital pressure sensor leading off from the outlet. There's the outlet, and the problem is a little O-ring in there. You've got some electronics and you've got some wires and diodes and stuff, which I have no idea what's going on with. Well, that wire should be there. We need to pop that off. And it's all floppy and loosey anyway, but it's not a problem. It's held in position by the other half of the housing. Right. Place screws safely so you can lose them completely. Okay. Now that's pops. Oh, I can see where that's gone wrong. Completely the wrong size. There's the old one I put in. Look at that. No wonder that didn't work. Anyway, we've got the little diddy spring. Because you can. And that's it really. Just needs an O-ring to go in there. That's all there is to it. But let's see that one. That looks a tad big. The original one that came out, I'm afraid that's long gone. Feeder's charged up since then. I'm going to give that a shot. You're nice to seal there. Right. Now if we can get the screws back in. There. On the opposite side. Check out C. Oh, that's 4 screws back. Don't want to do it too far. Right. You seat that where it lives. Right where you're seating. I can see immediately the washer is not sitting right. Of course it could be the cheap, in fact it's a cheap Aldi washer, I don't know. Well, I can give it a shot, can't I? Right, there. Just so happens I happen to have a power supply. On and off, okay. If you, just in case you've ever wondered what exactly is inside one of these, now we know. Oh, that's not good. I've just broken the fan. Clearly not one of my greatest fans. Oh well. That's that then. So there's a good chance it'll overheat. Anyway, Right, thing is, does it work? We don't know, do we? But in true maintenance principles, I will probably leave it worse than I found it. Some people watching this will get that. Couldn't turn it off. It's going to run away. There was something coming out. I'm going to give it a try on a real tyre. See, the screws coming loose already. I didn't tighten them up properly. Don't want to crush the washer. Let's crush now. Right. Put that together. What little remains. No, other side of the foot. I've got my feet on the wrong side. Right, get the screws in before it all falls out. I'll just pop a couple in to do with. We'll give it a shot. Right. To the back tyre, Batman. Uh-oh. Straight away it's letting the tyre down. So that's not what it is. Try again. Right, I'll take the bits again and I shall try another one. I'll try and fit it more correctly this time. There's no point in filming it, so this is going to be dull enough as it is. So I shall do that and then we'll try again on the wheel, the famous back wheel. And then we'll probably let it down even further. Yeah. Right, okay, back in a mo. Right, just disassembled and we can see what the problem is. It's over there, look, it's not sealed. It came off. Still looks relatively unmolested, but it came off. because it's slightly too big. Oh dear. See what else we've got. They're all the same, I think. Oh, perhaps a bit of red rubber grease. Worked on the disco. Well, that'll be another 5 psi out. Right. Ah, yeah, I know. Third time lucky. Right, this time, put the O-ring around the boss. Hey, boss. Flicking all the screws across the blasted drum. There, right. Okay. Click. Four. Okay. Right. Signing up. Oh crap. Oh, I've got off this job already. There's a bloody piston there that should be in there. Fiddlesticks. What an utter cockwomble. What goes in there? Okay. No. It's coming out. Okay. Right, sod it. I gave it my best shot. Failed. Air's coming out. Before you start the compressor, nothing happens when you press the button. So I tried my best. I can use the plug. I need one of these plugs anyway, so I'll cut that off. I'm afraid I'll have to go to the tip. So that's it then. How to successfully disrepair a Halfords Digital Tyre non-inflator in this particular instance. Well, I'm going to leave it there because this video must be so irrepressibly dull that you'll probably fallen asleep by now, so wake up! Got you, didn't I? Okay, perhaps not. Anyway, because nobody's watching anyway. Right, there's the bits of fun. Perhaps it just came to the end of its life and it died, and I've tried to resurrect it with some cheap O-rings and it's failed. So anyway, sorry. Nice to see you. I hope you're all well. I'm staying warm and dry, and it'll soon be summer, so don't worry. Spring is just around the corner, allegedly. Don't get lost or squashed. Stay safe, and thanks for watching if you're still there, and night night if you're not. See you in a bit.